Lesson 4 of Unit 4 teaches you how to integrate architectural and site design, and it consists of a single exercise, which is to insert a Revit model. Autodesk Revit Architecture is a model-based application for designing buildings and performing architectural analysis and design. And sometimes it's very useful to be able to combine a Revit model with a Civil 3D model. So you can export a model from Revit and import it to Civil 3D, and that allows you to view the above and below ground features simultaneously. So let's have a quick look. So here we have our site, and if we go to the Insert tab of the ribbon, and under Import, you can import a building site. And when you import a building site, you need to select the file. So we'll browse to the file, and we'll go to our location where our data is being stored. And this will be in the Integrating Architecture folder. And the building site is an ADSK file, and this is called m_building from Revit. And when we import that to Civil 3D, you can see the outline of the building in the preview here. If we go to the next tab, you can confirm the units and the projection. The style doesn't really do a significant amount. It's more of the building footprint, the property lines, utilities, and the site model, and then the building model. And then if we click Next, here's the insertion coordinates and elevation. So if we click Finish, you will see adjacent to one of the cul-de-sacs the building model. And it takes a moment to bring it in, but here's your building model. And in Prospector, if you scroll down, you do have a building site, and here's the building site, and these are the roof components, these are the door components, and these are the floor components in that building site. And if you right-click, you can look at the properties of that building site, which essentially allows you to rename it and change the style. And if you look at it in 3D, we can look at, we have a 3D view saved. We can set that as current and click OK, and you will actually be able to visualize the building site in 3D. And you can shade or render. I'll just issue the shade command here to shade that site. But you can see the road cul-de-sac here, the pipe networks, the grading of the site, and also the building here. So once again, it's very useful to be able to show all of this data at the same time, both the above and the below ground data. And there you can see the shaded model, and that concludes the discussion on the final lesson in Unit 4, which is on environmental design.